Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the marketing messages on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the settings icon at the top half of the screen, and in the left side on the screen go to the third option, the message preferences. Scroll down, and in the pause or wave goodbye section you can find information about the marketing messages, and you can set the frequency, and you have three options: subscribe, pause, and unsubscribe, and just select one and step on it, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.